Hey, in this Daily Dynamo episode, I'll be talking about the different types of content you should create. When content creation is so important, when you know what type of content to create, it makes it easier. So that's why this episode is just for you. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, welcome back. So there are 5 types of content you need to create. And when you create this type of content, it helps your target audience get results, helps your clients want to pay more money for you. So business will grow. It's very, very simple. It's 5 types of content. Okay. So before I talk about the content, I want to tell you, you need to have this before you create the content. You need to be very clear as to what is your solution. What are you helping your clients to go from A to B? So you want to be a coach, so you're helping someone go from A to B using your solution, right? You have a solution. Like for me, I help you to get virtual clients selling your advice online. My solution is how you should have a 1K offer. If you don't have a $1,000 coaching offer, you're not a professional coach, and I help you to have that offer for you. So that's my solution. So once you have that solution, so you should be aware of that solution for your own business. Now, with that, first type of content is information. You need to give away all the information you can, all the information you have on your solution as free, or as very little, like free or $7 or $27, everything for free. Like it's really cheap. And the purpose of this information is like everything. Don't hold back on anything. Give back everything. Your best content as information. The purpose of this is to make them aware of the problem. Most of the people are not aware of the real problem. They're just aware of the symptoms of the problem. So when you help them become aware of the real problem, they will be so grateful to you. And that comes from your information. That's type 1. Type 2 is instructional. So you've given them information, but you're not giving them step-by-step instructions to actually how to get results. And this is where you can charge them. You can do workshops, or you can charge them a bit more online course. This is where you charge them maybe $100 or $300 or $500, or just instructions. You're giving them specific steps to get their results. You're guaranteeing them because you're actually giving them steps. So that's type number 2. Type number 3 is inspirational. So it's easy. Everyone out there in the world knows what to do, knows what they should do, what they must do, but they find it challenging to actually take action because it's either self-esteem or fear of taking action or procrastination. There's so many other ways people don't take action. Well, you and I can connect. I know, and you know that it's so challenging to take action. So your clients are having the same issue. So you need to inspire them. You need to hold them accountable for their own actions. So that's the type number 3. So you can do this by Facebook Live. You can do this by hosting talking about the same answer, same solution. You're not coming up with new solutions. You're delivering the same solution in different formats. And so one is like webinars or Zoom calls. You're just holding them back and saying, hey, come on, you need to do this. Why haven't you done this? Or motivate them, sending them videos, sending them motivational emails, something to hold them accountable. So that's number 3. Number 4 is implementation. You're helping them to implement. It's either your done for you service or a done with you service, where you're actually hand-holding them to get the results. You're calling them, or you're sending them. You're doing most of the work, and you're there where your clients are just doing a little bit of work. So that's implementation, and you're giving really detailed instructions, and you're basically helping them a lot. And that's implementation. Of course, you can charge a lot for this. You're giving them your templates, your swipe files, your your like plug and play systems where they don't have to think, they just have to use your systems and they get results. So that's number 4. Number 5 is individual. You're giving them one-on-one attention to get results. You're actually helping them one-on-one. You're giving them full focus. You're giving them your complete attention to get results. And that's why you can charge them premium. So these are the 5 types of content you need to create. Like, it's content because when you create this, this becomes products, and you use these products to make a combination of these products to create offers. And that's how you make money. But you need to have an idea that one solution, how many contents can you create? Information, just to make them aware. Instructional, to actually assist them to get results. Inspire them, and inspiration is to motivate them to keep accountable. Then implementation is to help them actually get results really easy and really fast. And individual is to give them one-on-one attention. And when you have these type of information, and you're even having these 5 viewpoints of ideas for your solution, your clients will love you and they'll pay you more. And that's how you have your coaching business thriving. That I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you like it, please subscribe so you can get more of this. I'm creating a series of episodes on content creation and content production. So subscribe on YouTube, subscribe on podcasts, and stay in touch. I'll be sharing some amazing content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.